Terima kasih kerana memberi peluang. Selamat petang Datuk Seri. Soalan saya berbunyi, apakah halangan dan cabaran yang dihadapi oleh Datuk Seri dalam menjayakan gagasan Satu Malaysia dan bagaimana Datuk Seri berjaya mengatasi cabaran dan halangan tersebut? Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Seperti biasa apabila kita melancarkan sesuatu konsep ataupun gagasan yang baru, tentu kita akan menghadapi berbagai cabaran dan salah satu daripada cabarannya ialah soal kefahaman yang sebenarnya, the understanding of what One Malaysia stands for. Sebab bila kita perkenalkan sesuatu gagasan, mungkin ada pelbagai interpretasi, different interpretations of what One Malaysia stands for. Jadi tugas pertama yang saya kira sebagai cabaran utama ialah untuk menerangkan kepada rakyat Malaysia supaya mereka memahami apakah sebenarnya kefahaman dan maksud gagasan Satu Malaysia itu, supaya mereka dapat menghayatinya. Kita perkenalkan gagasan Satu Malaysia ini bukan sebagai satu slogan dan bukan sebagai satu yang bersifat seremonial ataupun yang berkait rapat dengan soal perpaduan nasional sahaja. Sebab kita juga kaitkan dengan rakyat didahulukan, pencapaian diutamakan. Jadi gagasan ini bukan saja menumpu kepada pembentukan sebuah negara bangsa dan pengukuhan perpaduan nasional, dan juga pengisiannya membawa pengertian-pengertian tertentu seperti yang kita telah gariskan dalam buku buklet Satu Malaysia, tetapi kita kaitkan juga dengan people first and performance now. Sebab itulah saya sedang cari program-program, produk-produk dan juga services yang ada kaitan dengan people first and performance now. Umpamanya bila kita kurangkan kadar tol, umpamanya, it is about people first. Bila kita buat immigration boleh keluar international passport dalam masa 1 jam, that's about performance now and people first. Jadi as we go along, we should try to look at how we can meet the expectations in relation to our concept of One Malaysia, people first, performance now. Satu lagi yang saya nak tekankan, this national unity is also about a change in a mindset of our people, because we will not achieve unity unless there is a change in a mindset. What is the important thing to realize is our attitude towards other Malaysians from different ethnic groups can actually migrate from one level to another level. The most minimum level is a level of tolerance. But if you say you are tolerant say you tolerate the person next to you, it does not mean you like the person, but you tolerate the person. So that is the most minimum point to start with. Then you can graduate to the next level, which is a level of acceptance. You accept readily another person, although from a different ethnic background, but you accept the person. You befriend the person. You can even like the person. So that's the next level that I'd like to say about changing the mindset. The final and the highest level, if you like, would be if you celebrate diversity. If you see diversity as a uniqueness and as a source of strength for Malaysians, then we have achieved the concept of Bangsa Malaysia. Remember when Tun Mahathir as Prime Minister in 1991 mentioned about working towards Bangsa Malaysia, and that is really the ultimate success, if you like, how we can achieve this concept of Bangsa Malaysia if we can celebrate diversity and if we are totally at ease about diversity. The other thing which we need to do is to find more examples of how One Malaysia works in our day-to-day life. For example, we must go beyond. It's now become fashionable to say, instead of saying Salam Sejahtera, people now say Salam Satu Malaysia. That's a good start. But there are also examples, like for example, when Dato' Lee Chong Wei, every time he wins a badminton match, the image of him embracing Miss Bon Siddiq is, to me, epitomizes the concept of One Malaysia. When our Harimau Malaya team won, and our chief coach is Raja Gopal, that's also an example of One Malaysia. So if we support one another, irrespective of our ethnic background, then collectively we will be stronger than the sum of the individual. I believe that our mission and our goal must be to make Malaysia a great nation, a successful nation. And for us to do that, all Malaysians must pull together and we must move in one direction to achieve one goal. And that is what One Malaysia is truly all about. Thank you.